best handwriting practice with demo APK I have already installed. So let's go directly to the app. The app is here. This is the home screen of the app. Best handwriting practice with demo. Now we have to tap on start button. This is the first screen that we get, and here we have different menus. We have stroke practice, writing demo capital letter, writing demo small letters, writing practice capital letters, writing practice small letters, freehand drawing. So let's go to the stroke practice. In the stroke practice, this is the screen which we get. Tap on the play button and we get a video playing of how to practice the strokes. So these are the 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we can practice this video. Okay, so this one is the first line, the second, the third, and once you shake your mobile slightly, see the lines have disappeared. Now let's go to the next section, writing demo capital letter. So here these are the letters. You have to just drag the letters. You have to drag the letters here this way. All of them are capital letters. See, the instruction given is tap the letter twice for demo video. So let's see B. I have tapped B twice. Yeah, B. How to write B in capital letters. Let's see, have another look at Z. Z. X. Okay, this is about capital letters. Now let's go back. Now let's go to small letters. Again, you can drag the letters. You can go from left to right, right to left. Let's have a look at D. How to write D. W. Z. Now let's go to the next session, practicing the capital letters. Yeah. Here we have the instruction also, scribble the letter below, and the next instruction is shake the mobile to clean the screen. Now let's see B. Okay, I have double tapped on the letter B. Now we have to scribble the letter below as we had seen in the demo. The first one was this way, and then going this way, and then this way. Check the screen to clear. Okay, here we have cleared it. Go to the next letter, D. Shake the mobile, that clears the screen. Next, H. Practicing the capital letters. Now let's practice small letters. Let's take H. See, the instructions are given here. We have to just go from one number to other number and we have to follow the arrows. Okay, here we are. H. Shake the mobile, clear the screen, go for K. K. Shake the screen. Oops. Oh. See, the correct way of writing O is in this manner, but most of the students, they try writing this way. And this one is the wrong way. It's wrong. The proper one is this way, and this is correct part. So we need to focus these small things in writing. Now next, let's go to the Next session, that's free hand drawing. Yeah, you can practice everything here. You can have also emojis. Okay, yeah. So here, this app I is the best app to practice writing skill, the fourth skill. It's very useful for small children, for the beginners. It's very useful. No need to be after them and guide them step to step. This app is the best app for them to learn writing. Thank you. You can visit my blog, a YouTube channel created by me. That's Dipak Tanaji Dawar. You can visit my YouTube channel, edudeep. Thank you.